Are you looking for a change of scenery that includes a round of golf, lakes, beautiful beaches, and the quaint shops in Port Dover? This newer construction end-unit townhome offers 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a spacious layout with modern design. I'm Kate Broddick of the Kate Broddick team, and this is 261 Schooner Drive.
Right now that can't wait. Life keeps asking me to behave, but today's got